Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily import different file types like Excel, Word, PDF, and PowerPoint into Canva. Plus, I'll walk you through how to export your finished design as a flattened PDF, which is super handy if you want to share your work without any editable layers. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only be able to bring all your documents into Canva, but you'll also know how to confidently save your work the right way for printing or sharing. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's kick things off by importing an Excel file into Canva. To begin, head over to the Canva dashboard. You'll notice a big Create button. Go ahead and click that. From there, find and select Upload. Canva allows you to pull in all sorts of files, but for now, locate your Excel file on your computer. Once you select it, just give Canva a moment. It might take a few seconds to upload, especially if your spreadsheet is on the larger side. You'll know the upload is complete when the file appears in your Uploads panel. Simply click on the Excel file, and Canva will automatically turn the pages of your spreadsheet into editable designs. This is especially useful if you want to give your data visual flair, or maybe turn a report into something more eye-catching. Next, let's import a Word document. The process is almost identical. Click on Create again, then select Upload. Find your Word file, maybe it's an essay, notes, or a proposal, and select it. Let Canva do its thing and wait for it to finish loading. Once it's in, a quick tap on your Word file will bring it onto your workspace, ready for editing. Just like with Excel, you can now spruce up boring text or add graphics to really make your document pop. Now let's tackle importing a PDF. Head back up to Create, click Upload, and then find your PDF file. Maybe it's a flyer, an old resume, or any multi-page document you want to freshen up. After you select it, Canva will take a few moments to process the file. This is actually super helpful because all the pages in your PDF will be separated and editable. If you've ever tried editing a PDF the old-fashioned way, you know how frustrating that can be. With Canva, it's so much smoother. Finally, if you have a PowerPoint presentation that you want to give a bit of Canva magic, you can import that too. Click Create, hit Upload, and pick your PowerPoint file. Once it's uploaded, give it a click. Canva will transform each slide into its own design page so you can update the look, add icons, or just tidy things up before sharing. Now that you've brought all your different files into Canva and worked your editing magic, let's talk about exporting your work as a flattened PDF. This is key if you're sending a design to a printer or sharing with someone who doesn't need to edit your file. Up at the top right, click Share. In the menu, choose the PDF standard option. Before you hit download, look for the setting that says Flatten PDF. Make sure that's checked. Flattening your PDF means all your text and images get locked in place, preventing anyone from accidentally shifting things around. Once you're set, click Download and Canva will prepare your PDF. This part might take a few seconds if it's a big project, so don't worry if things pause for a moment. And that's it, you did it. You now know how to import Excel, Word, PDF, and PowerPoint files into Canva and how to export your design as a flattened PDF. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and leave a comment if you've got any questions. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.